Welcome to this intro to the channel. It's an overview of what the channel is all about. It's obviously about sharing the love for cars, the passion for cars. So it's going to split in categories. One is going to be giving you driving experience of special cars. Here we have one special of mine. I'm really in love with it, and basically any other cars, not only sports car but other types. And another category is going to be maintenance works and special tricks on cars, and then cars review, cars purchase, assessment, or car investment evaluation with looking at the depreciation appreciation curve. Then cars events, car track days and exhibitions, mostly for next year obviously because of Corona. And then last but not least, any other funny videos, video of motorbikes, of friends, and video of kids playing with cars, or washing, helping, or the reaction of kids to car acceleration, for instance, or to an old timer classic car. So I hope you enjoy, and please be subscribed and enjoy the first.
Easily 15,000-20,000 euros for a decent goods one. Obviously those models sound del 6 cilindri. Il sound del 6 cilindri è questo. C'ha solo un difetto questa macchina, ragazzi, dovete farci benzina. Noi ci siamo dimenticati. Turn now. So then I stayed. Soft top is washed. That's step number one. You have to. So here we are. End result is not too bad, to be honest. As I said, I had to scrub it off from here.
Pretty good condition, overall conditions. Paint has been cylinders, injectors, large injectors.
The overall actual impression is not too bad. Very badly built actually in the 996, but in this one is like most of the others, so I don't think it's problematic. From the belt, which is like a bit suspicious to me. Looks quite good, and the sound of it is brilliant, guys. It's really brilliant.
E46 never really respected the standard curves, so it bottomed very early, around 15 years old, and then never had the flat spot, and then actually spiked. Typical signs of investment car.
Vamos.
No dai! No! No dai! Mica figata! Figata! Guarda! Andiamola a vedere!
Che bella! Fa schifo questa! È bella! È bella!
Cosa ha detto Cookie? C'è pure la roba
Sere?
Stiamo andando in zoo!
Lavoro, eccoli lì. Bravo Cookie, spara, spara. No!
So I hope you enjoyed these videos, especially the ones with kids. You know, they show spontaneity for cars, and that's what we want to convey with this channel, the passion and sensations that these cars give us. So out of these clips, there will be short videos, short but intense, like M10 Espresso. So subscribe and share.